There's a bagyo. Oh. Why the bagyo is coming, keep coming. The bad weather, 25 degrees. Oh, it's kind of cool, huh? 25 degrees. That's good. You don't need to drink ice cola. You just need to drink ice water. Yes, please do connect, guys, to Tita May, the one that I pinned, guys. Please do support. Thank you so much. And Shopkeeper, thank you, Shop. And Biron, still watching the ads, Biron. It's kind of long ads, Biron. It takes, how long? Shout out! Thank you. PreviewNet, still watching here, PreviewNet. Sa yung video, PreviewNet. Ayan. Thank you, guys. Shout out, shouty. And please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like me. If you like me, like me. Temperature will drop tomorrow at 17. Oh, it's kind of cold. You have to wear jackets. Okay, you have the wool jacket. The warmer. Hi. Oh, you can connect to Kisnell, my good friend here. Thank you. Thank you. Yep. Haha, hindi naman social. Maganda lang iPhone gamitin. Yes, maganda talaga iPhone, no? Kasi pagka iPhone ang gamit mo, may stabilizer kasi dyan sa iPhone. Dito sa Android, walang stabilizer, no? Ano ba, magalaw yung phone mo. Dito, walang stabilizer. Sa iPhone, meron. Oh, maganda dyan ang iPhone. Maganda gamitin ang iPhone. Medyo pricey, no? Pricey ang iPhone. Wala pa tang ipon. Sa makabili ako dyan. Ayan, wait lang Kapitana. Hinanap ko ka Kapitana ha. Lloyd, are you still watching your video, Lloyd? Ayan, basta naka-play on lang yan ha. Huwag kayong worry dyan. Basta nagpi-play ako dito. Okay? And Biron, still watching the ads, Biron? Thank you. Thank you to my 8,000 eyes. And please do connect. Time check. It's 6:43. Maaga pa. Almarie, you can cook. Cook rice. Thank you. Ayan. Thank you to my 8,000 eyes. Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you. Juma Mubarak. Ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Ayan. Thank you guys. Highlight. Okay, done to the video, Biron. And I'm going to your video next. Shopkeeper. I'm here, Shopkeeper. Shopkeeper. Oh. I have to watch the video which is not red line. Okay, here, the evidenteria. Terea. Oh, so sirap. Dark Soldier. Hello, Dark. How are you? Thank you so much. Thank you for coming over. I'm going to your video, Dark, and I'm gonna play your video here. Thank you. Please do connect, guys, to Dark Soldier, my good friend here. And please do subscribe. Please consider subscribing. I am nice. Yes, you're nice. You're good. Thank you so much, Dark. How are you today? Thank you to my 7,000 eyes. Thank you, Dark Soldier. Nice.